You know, I want to talk about this. Prints on the front of t-shirts, of the surface. If you got a t-shirt like that, and it's been given to you, don't throw it away. You can work in your garage with it, or in the garden. But the real t-shirts, the print should be in the back. We are surface, we wear it on our back. That's our cross. You don't wear it on your chest. You wear it on your back. Now, out of that smoke there in Pieter's chat room, some ideas came. How did the prints started getting to the front? They were always on the back. And I came up with two theories. Now, when you guys see Kelly Slater, if somebody there knows him, ask him and let's get behind the truth. Because the truth is only what we want. First theory is, when Kelly Slater joined Quicksilver, the buyer group made a mistake. They bought 1,000 t-shirts and all the prints was on the front. And then the CEO of Quicksilver said, there's no ways you're dumping those shirts. We're going to push it onto the market and people will buy it because it's Kelly Slater and Quicksilver. And that's the one theory. The other theory is the photographer was one day shooting Kelly Slater with his Quicksilver prints on the back. And he says, but I can't see it's Kelly Slater. And I said, turn him sideways, but then I can't see the print. So then they started printing it on the front so they can see it's Kelly Slater and the prints on the front of Quicksilver. So we have to get behind this, the truth, and find out which is the real one. But we, as real surface, know it's on the back. We carry it on our back. That's our cross. We are surface. We have to do it. And another thing, you kids out there, if your mom buys you a shirt with a print in the front, don't tell her, because it's a gift. Wear it. Go and play in the mud with it, man. It's flippin' cool. She won't be upset if you get that shirt dirty.